Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. I'm doing a voiceover for this recording. At the time, I had just gotten back to the computer, didn't have time to put the headset on and explain this. I saw this forming, this second entry long, if you count as a double top, also a higher low. I started the recording right when I saw this bar forming. I mean, I probably got back to the computer just enough time to draw that short-term trend, saw that this was a break, and we get that nice, really bullish signal bar. You can see I reduced to 6. The ATR was under 7 at this point. It's really low. And I wanted to get out right at that high. So we were just going for 6 on this one. It was just a tad bit congestive, but I think the context was pretty clear. And also that signal bar was really nice. So EMA kept holding. I felt pretty good about this trade. And you can see it was a pretty quick reaction once we triggered. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Visual and technically true second entry long as well as a higher low. Just expecting a retest. Thanks guys, and have a great one.